Are you looking to streamline your inventory management? Today we're exploring the power of Barcode Inventory Systems software and how it revolutionizes warehouse management. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into efficient warehouse operations. Barcode Inventory Systems are a game changer in the world of warehouse management. They're not just about tracking items, they're about precision, speed, and accuracy in inventory control. Let's look at the key components of a barcode system. Barcode labels. These are the essential element that carries the product information in a scannable format. Barcode scanners. These are the devices that read the information encoded in the labels, ensuring quick data capture. Barcode software. This is typically a WMS or other warehouse system that integrates barcode data with your inventory management data for real-time tracking and analysis. Choosing the right type of barcode for your business. UPC, or Universal Product Code, widely used for retail products and point-of-sale POS systems in North America. UPC barcodes use lines and spaces to depict 12 numeric digits. EAN, or European Article Number. Similar to UPC, EAN barcodes feature 13 digits and are used outside of North America. Code 128, a versatile, high-density barcode that can encode all 128 digits of the ASCII data encoding standard. QR codes, or quick response codes, a two-dimensional barcode that can store more data than linear barcodes, often used for marketing and asset tracking purposes. Here's why barcodes are an indispensable part of warehouse inventory management. Efficiency in tracking. Barcode systems enable quick scanning of items, drastically reducing the time spent in manual counting. Accuracy. With barcodes, the chances of errors in inventory records are significantly minimized. Real-time data access. Barcode systems provide real-time inventory data, crucial for making informed decisions. Streamlined order processing. Barcodes simplify the order fulfillment process, ensuring that the right products are shipped promptly. It's important to note that implementing a barcode inventory system comes with a set of challenges. It requires careful planning and integration with your existing warehouse management systems. But the payoff is immense in terms of efficiency and accuracy. At Cadre Technologies, our cutting-edge barcode-ready warehouse software is designed to seamlessly integrate with your operations, ensuring a smooth transition and immediate efficiency gains. Ready to upgrade your inventory management barcode system? Visit us at cadretech.com for more information. And remember to like this video and subscribe for more warehouse management insights.